Wonder what it costs to fix this, or even this? Find out in minutes with Probo Medical's free online probe repair tool. It's simple. First, use this QR code or go to probomedical.com, fix my probe. Step 1, choose your probe type, manufacturer, and model. Step 2, tell us what's happening. Don't worry, we skipped all the techie jargon to make your diagnosis simple. Use the pictures and descriptions and check the boxes that best describe your issue. Let's say you have a problem with your cable. Well, you can skip straight to the sections by looking at the descriptions or pictures. If you don't have an issue, simply go to the next section or choose No Defect Found. Use the optional comments section if you have anything else to add. Step 3, fill out your contact information so we can prepare your quote. Click Submit and you're done. Our proprietary algorithm will evaluate your probe and send you an estimate within 5 minutes. Check your email for your quote, then follow our simple instructions to print a free FedEx label to ship your probe to Probo Medical overnight. Check your contact information to ensure it's correct, add your serial number, then click Submit. We'll email you a FedEx label for free overnight shipping. When we receive your probe, our expert engineers will perform a full evaluation and contact you with an exact cost for the repair. You are under no obligation, and all shipping to and from Probo Medical is on us. Probo Medical. Smart decisions start here.